back. Hi guys, it's Abby, and I heard that you all want to learn how to make my easy pickles, and today I'm going to teach you how to make my pickles. And where do I start? Okay, ingredients. We need vinegar, water. Hold on. Now I need the water in the... I'm going to die. Can I have a prettier one, Mama? Ingredients you need: vinegar, water, salt, any other ingredients you want to add in, and your vegetables. You need a pot, a stove, hopefully. So, equal parts of water. Equal parts of water and vinegar. I'll be doing cup and cup. This is Mom's vinegar, raisin vinegar. The video will be down below. So start your stove. So you want to heat your water and your vinegar to boiling point. You can add, I like mustard seeds, so you can add some, how many your heart desires, mustard seeds. About 2 teaspoons of salt. Then for other spices, I love black pepper, so I'm putting some of this in here. Whole black pepper, ground black pepper, doesn't matter. And then coriander, however you want. There we go. So you wait until it boils. See you later. And now we wait. Now we wait. Oh, I forgot garlic, my man. With the spices, add some garlic, however much your heart desires. That smells good, right? Take your jars, pack your vegetables tightly. First jar done. There we go. Now fill the sides up, please. Boiling. Immediately turn off your stove and add it into your pickles. Oh, that tastes good. Can you give me a cloth, please? After your pickles have cooled down naturally, put the lid on, put it in the fridge, and eat it tomorrow morning fresh. Thank you guys, bye! My life just flashed before my eyes. It was good.